Who doesn't have school today?
You.
I don't have school today.
But I do.
But have no fear. The old Jeep will get Cora to school through the blizzard of January 22nd, 2013.
This is dumb. There should not be school today.
It's 8 degrees out.
And a lot of kids walk to school, so a lot of kids are probably going to stay home.
There's not that much snow. It's only a couple inches.
Well, it's dumb.
I feel you. I'd be upset too. I think if you had a snow day and I didn't, I'd be pretty jealous. So
Can I just stay home?
No, you have school. Lakewood's open. You got some learning to do.
We don't learn.
Look, the light's out.
Oh my gosh. This is the most ridiculous not snow day ever.
Yeah. You think McDonald's is open?
I don't care. I just don't want to go to school. That's all.
Alright, go, man. Okay, for your own future reference, Cora, when it's flashing red lights, it acts as a 4-way stop sign. Not just a free-for-all, which is what's happening here. So, since everybody else is doing free-for-all style, we're going to do it too.
Alright.
This guy sat for like 4 cars.
This makes me upset.
You think El Jalapenos is open for nachos and margaritas?
No.
No, I don't think so.
Darn.
This would be a good day to go snowboarding. It wasn't so cold. 8 degrees is rough.
Tomorrow's gonna be colder. Tomorrow's supposed to be 0.
So maybe you'll get a snow day tomorrow, and maybe I'll get another one.
I don't want.
Snow plows are all out.